Uganda has for the last 2 months been working hard to flatten her COVID-19 curve, but in vain due to the ever-increasing imported cases, especially of truck drivers. This is believed to have perturbed President Museveni so much that the President has directed the Line Ministry to defy World Health Organization directive.
On the 20th of May 2020, His Excellency the President directed that in addition to testing all long-distance truck drivers before entry into the country and only allowing in the negative ones, all the foreign long-distance truck drivers who had tested positive and had been added to the confirmed cases of Uganda should be deducted from Uganda's total confirmed COVID-19 cases.
The Health Ministry is implementing the presidential directive on internal and imported COVID-19 confirmed cases. As Minister Acheng explains, Uganda's total COVID-19 confirmed cases as of 21st May 2020 is 145, while returnees from abroad are 47 contacts and 88 Ugandan long-distance truck drivers.
All positive Ugandan cargo truck drivers are immediately transferred to the regional referral hospitals from the point of entry, while positive foreign cargo truck drivers are requested to return to their respective countries of origin for appropriate COVID-19 management and treatment.
What is important is that all cases are reported. So in this case, when Uganda revises its numbers, we expect Uganda to inform the places where these people come, inform them so that they would be considered in the place of their origin. This is something which in the East African community has to be also standardized, and we will facilitate that discussion between the member states so that these cases are not lost in the counting between the cracks.
During the Ministry of Health update on COVID-19, Minister Acheng announced key resolutions of the recent Heads of State Summit on managing the pandemic. It is said that all the heads of state unanimously agreed that truck drivers should be tested at points of origin as close to the respective border points as possible, and those who test negative are given a COVID-19 negative certificate. As such, only those truck drivers will be allowed to transport cargo. Testing should be done jointly, and each country should deploy health workers at laboratories in the neighboring countries to observe the testing protocols. All truck drivers should be tested 24 hours before departure. Tests should be repeated every 2 weeks to ensure that the drivers transporting cargo remain negative. Truck drivers should only stop at designated points. Each truck should have a maximum of 2 drivers, and lastly, the inland port of Kenya, Naivasha, could be made available for quick clearing of goods. There are discussions to ensure acceptable implementation of these proposals. Minister Acheng says the East African region is working on modalities to check the increasing cases of COVID-19 among truck drivers as they actualize summit recommendations. Uganda's COVID-19 curve had in the recent week gone up fast due to the imported cases resulting from the cross-border truck drivers.